Obadiah was a prophet whose name means servant of Jehovah, or worshipper of Jehovah. While little is known about his personal life or background, the Bible book attributed to him, the Book of Obadiah, is the shortest book in the Hebrew Scriptures, consisting of only 21 verses. Despite its brevity, it contains a powerful message of judgment and hope. Jehovah's Witnesses emphasize that Obadiah's message was divinely inspired and fulfilled a significant role in God's purpose. His prophecy is set in a time of crisis for the nation of Judah, possibly around the period when the Babylonians destroyed Jerusalem in 607 BCE. However, the exact timing of Obadiah's prophecy is not explicitly stated. The message of Obadiah. The book of Obadiah is primarily a prophecy of judgment against Edom, the nation descended from Esau, the brother of Jacob. Edom and Israel had a long history of animosity, which originated from the rivalry between Esau and Jacob. This tension continued through their descendants. Jehovah's Witnesses view the book as emphasizing key points. Judgment against Edom. Obadiah foretold the destruction of Edom because of its violent and treacherous actions against Judah. Edom's people not only failed to help their Israelite relatives during times of distress but actively participated in their suffering, such as by looting Jerusalem and handing over survivors to their enemies. Jehovah's Witnesses point out that this serves as an example of how God holds nations and individuals accountable for actions motivated by hatred, pride, and betrayal. The sovereignty of Jehovah. Obadiah's prophecy underscores Jehovah's sovereignty and his ability to execute judgment. The Edomites may have felt secure in their mountain strongholds, but Obadiah declared that no place was beyond God's reach. This highlights a core belief of Jehovah's Witnesses. Jehovah is the ultimate judge, and his justice is perfect and inevitable. Restoration and hope for God's people. The latter part of Obadiah's prophecy shifts focus to a message of hope. It foretells the restoration of Israel and the establishment of God's kingdom. The prophecy speaks of a time when deliverance will be on Mount Zion, and God's people will inherit their promised blessings. Jehovah's Witnesses interpret this as a foreshadowing of the fulfillment of God's kingdom, where true worship will prevail, and justice will be established on earth. Practical lessons from Obadiah. Jehovah's Witnesses draw several lessons from the book of Obadiah. The danger of pride. Edom's downfall was partly due to its arrogance and sense of invulnerability. Jehovah's Witnesses often caution against pride, reminding believers to remain humble and reliant on Jehovah. The importance of loyalty. Edom's betrayal of Judah serves as a warning about the consequences of disloyalty. Jehovah's Witnesses encourage maintaining loyalty to God and his people, even in difficult times. Hope for the faithful. Obadiah's prophecy reassures believers that Jehovah remembers and rewards faithfulness. This aligns with their belief in the ultimate triumph of Jehovah's purpose and the establishment of a righteous new world. The fulfillment of Obadiah's prophecy. Jehovah's Witnesses point to historical evidence showing that Obadiah's prophecy was fulfilled. The Edomites, once a prominent nation, were eventually conquered and absorbed into other groups, ceasing to exist as an independent people. This demonstrates the accuracy of Bible prophecy and strengthens the faith of Jehovah's Witnesses in the reliability of Scripture. Obadiah's relevance today. For Jehovah's Witnesses, the book of Obadiah remains relevant because it highlights timeless principles. It assures believers that Jehovah is just, that he will bring an end to wickedness, and that he will fulfill his promises to those who serve him faithfully. It also encourages humility, loyalty, and trust in Jehovah's ability to deliver his people. In their publications and Bible study discussions, Jehovah's Witnesses often explore how these principles apply to modern challenges and how they can encourage others to trust in Jehovah's justice and sovereignty. This concise yet impactful message of Obadiah serves as a reminder of Jehovah's unwavering justice and loving provision for his people, themes that resonate deeply with Jehovah's Witnesses. Please share and like and please subscribe.